A gentleman called Agelos writes he's 29 years old with a total testosterone of 500 and a free testosterone of 13. His doc suggests HCG monotherapy, as you just explained, for 6 weeks, and then check levels again after 4 weeks of stopping it. And if low, then start TRT.
So this is a halfway approach.
Mizumi is the #1 product for acne problems on TRT. Check out the products using the link in the description under this video.
HCG monotherapy is a flawed attempt. HCG can be used in a proper kickstarting protocol, but you have to remember, and your doctor should know this, and if he doesn't, then he needs to listen to this. HCG in and of itself is suppressive of gonadotropins. When HCG is administered exogenously, it is an analog of luteinizing hormone. By definition, this means that your body will suppress the luteinizing hormone at the pituitary level in order for HCG to take its place and stimulate the Leydig cells. The minute you stop HCG, you're in a suppressed state, and you're going to need to use a selective estrogen receptor modulator like a tamoxifen in order to kickstart your pituitary function. I have a very detailed protocol on what we call the Kickstarter system or Kickstarter protocol that we use with younger patients who are diagnosed as secondary or tertiary hypogonadal. This will not work in a primary hypogonadal male, so this should be diagnosed first. This gentleman did not provide his gonadotropin levels. I don't know if they were checked, but it sounds to me like perhaps his provider needs a little bit of a refresher on how this works. So if this gentleman actually followed this advice, his levels may be sufficient on paper initially. Rest assured, when you discontinue use, you will be in a suppressed state and you're going to feel a whole lot worse. So I don't recommend following that advice. And if you need more clarity on it, then you can reach out on the link on my website and we can go into more detail. This is about a 30-minute conversation, but in short, this is a very incorrect way to restart somebody's natural production.